Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how does FunnelXRoi work. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews to let you know what products I believe are legitimate and which ones are not as far as you making money online. If those are topics that you would like to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into how does FunnelXRoi work. Well, first of all, what is FunnelXRoi? It was created by David Deacle, and essentially it's a marketing funnel that he put together 5 different income streams. So you market one link, and then as someone comes in, they have the opportunity to take part in all 5 of these income streams. And I think where people get confused a little bit is they said, well, it said that it was free. Well, actually the funnel itself that's all put together is free, but in order for you to earn commissions, you actually have to make some sort of investment. So the first thing when someone comes in is they configure the first income stream, which is Easy One Up. Easy One Up has been around for a few years, and this is digital products, and there's different levels that you can buy the products. And I've been promoting this for, I guess, 2 months now, October, November. I have all of these products, but each one comes with different training. So this one here, the elevation, is the $25 product. There is an admin fee. So this one, like, there's $5. I think up to the 2000 one, there's like a $500 admin fee. Elevation Elite is the one that costs $100. The Vertex is $250. The Vertex Elite is $500. The Vertex Pro is $1,000. And then the Vertex Live is $2,000. And this includes the live events, and you pay a $50 registration fee, but it has all the recordings of the live events that they've done thus far. And just a lot of training, a lot of marketing training. So that's the first income stream. The second one is Now Lifestyle, and that is a lifestyle business, but it's also an autoresponder. So we use it as an autoresponder. It's like $50 a month, and then you earn residual commissions when you refer others. So you can see that mine has really increased from October to November, and that's residual income. So you have your own autoresponder here. You can send out, and then David he shows you exactly how to load up his email follow-up series, and you just add your name to it, so it's from David and Karen. And so you don't have to worry about writing any emails. This is all included in the system. And the thing about this too is this is so easy. It's step by step. He has a video for everything, and he has you test it out to make sure you did it right, and if you didn't, he has another video to show you how to correct it. So it's so easy to set up. So that's the second income stream, is Now Lifestyle. And of course, there's other products in Now Lifestyle that you can purchase and earn commissions on. And then the next one is ROI Panel, and that replaced ClickMagick as far as a tracker. And so this is the ROI Panel. Oops. And the thing I love about this is that it's a one-time fee, it's a lifetime fee, whereas ClickMagick, it's a monthly fee. So you can see what the different prices are here. And I'm not going to show you this, but I've earned almost $400 just in the month that they've had this out, because people see the value in just having one-time fee for a tracker, and it's actually going to do a lot more than Click Magic. It's in beta testing, but it's going to be able to do split testing and all kinds of stuff that Click Magic is not able to do. So that is the third income stream. The fourth one is Funnel Advance. And you get paid per lead. So there's certain qualifications that they have to meet, but as you bring in leads into this FunnelXRoi, you will get paid $1 a lead. And there's other products in there. If you want to upgrade, you'll earn commissions on those as well. But the basic, just get paid per lead, that doesn't cost you anything. It's just another income stream inside of the FunnelXRoi. And then, let's see, your bonuses, that is right here. No, that's not it. Hold on. Okay. Let's see if I can get, there we go. That is your advertising boost. And this allows you to give away unlimited hotel stays and earn 40% monthly commissions. So this is an incentive that you can add for people, any kind of business, really. Okay, so you can add that in there. That's another income stream. And you can see that this can be very, very good paying income stream inside of FunnelXRoi. These are some of the commissions that I've made just in a couple months. Okay, and then that's basically, there's this 5 income streams, easy one up. Now Lifestyle, ROI panel, the paper lead, or FunnelX Advance, and then your vacations incentive. Also, inside of here, you do have a traffic co-op if you want to buy into that. They do solo ads, and you can get part of their traffic. Otherwise, David teaches you how to do solo ads inside the, right here, how to promote. My mouse isn't working here. So, let's see. He has training on how to do solo ads. And then you have all your links here that you can use. All your lead capture pages are set up for you. Once you go through the whole FunnelXRoi and get everything integrated, then you will have access to these that you'll use with your marketing. Okay, let's see, and then again, this is actually where he teaches you live case studies on getting traffic, just behind the scenes of his 509% return on investment, and some case studies on traffic, how to get traffic to your lead capture page. And then he tells you, okay, after you get it all set up, what do you do next? And you can also have, if you're really confused, which I think this is like so simple, but I think some people could get confused, I guess. They have a done for you over the phone funnel setup. So you could just have somebody walk you through it. I think it's just maybe, I don't know. It's under $100, I believe. So it's worth it to some people rather than if they're frustrated or something. But okay, so that's really FunnelXRoi. I just wanted to go through that with you guys. Hopefully this answers the question, how does FunnelXRoi work? If you want to go ahead and get started, I'm going to leave a link That'll be the first link in the description below this video. Also, I offered the bonuses of the free vacation to anyone who joins, but then at the higher levels, 500 and above, I'll buy your first round of traffic. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and get started, and I'll get with you after you get into the system. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.